Let's start. Today we will see how to plot a horizontal line from a certain custom point in the Tradingview pinescript. Let's assume a situation where the price has just crossed a 200 exponential moving average, and we want to draw a horizontal line from the high of that crossover bar towards its right side. Let's see how to do that. This is an indicator function with a name, draw a horizontal line from a certain bar. Here we calculate and plot the 200 exponential moving average. Here we find out if a bar has crossed over the exponential moving average. Here we find out the bar index or the bar number of that crossover bar. Here we find out the high of that crossover bar. And finally, we plot a horizontal line from the high of the crossover bar which extends towards its right. Also, we want the horizontal line from the latest crossed over bar only. So we delete all the previous lines. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, this bar has crossed over the exponential moving average. So we have drawn a horizontal line from the high of this bar and extended it towards its right. Similarly, you can imagine your own custom conditions and plot the horizontal lines accordingly. So that's it. That's how you can plot a horizontal line from a certain bar in the Tradingview pinescript. Thank you.